What's wrong with men today? Picture this. It's a few years back, and the legendary Dr. Albert Schweitzer, a Nobel Peace Prize winner, is asked this very question by a curious reporter. Dr. Schweitzer, a wise man of few words, takes a moment and responds, "Men simply don't think." Now let's talk about this. We are living in a golden age, a time that humanity has dreamt of for centuries. An era of abundant opportunities for everyone, just waiting to be explored. But here's the twist. If you take 100 individuals who start the journey at the age of 25, you'd be surprised to know where they end up by the time they hit 65. At 25, these folks are full of life, dreams sparkling in their eyes, and the world is an exciting adventure. However, by 65, only one will be rich, 4 will be financially independent, and 5 will still be grinding. And a staggering 54 will be broke, depending on others for life's necessities. It's a shocking reality check, right? Now, let's redefine success together. Success isn't just about wealth. It's the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. It's about becoming the person you aspire to be. It's the teacher who loves teaching, the entrepreneur chasing their dream, the salesperson aiming for the top spot. But here's where it gets interesting. Only 1 out of 20 people truly pursues their worthy ideals. The rest? They conform to society's expectations, going with the flow, often without even knowing where they're headed. Rollo May, a brilliant psychiatrist, once said, "The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice, it's conformity. And the conformity leads to countless missed opportunities." Now, have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals while others struggle? It boils down to one thing: goals. People with clear defined goals succeed because they know where they're going. It's that simple. They are the top 5%. As you're watching this video, remember this: we become what we think about. Our thoughts shape our reality. So it's time to take control of your mind like a captain guiding a ship to its destination. Think about your goals every day. Visualize them, feel them, believe in them. Don't let fear or negativity hold you back. Replace those thoughts with images of your dreams coming true. You have the power to create your reality. Your success is closely tied to the quality and quantity of your service you provide to the world. Don't chase money. Focus on being of service, and money will follow. It's a universal law. So here's your challenge. Take the next 30 days to change your life. Write down your most cherished goal and carry it with you. Replace negative thoughts with positive visions of your success. Be of service and watch the abundance flow into your life. Don't give up. Even if you stumble, start over and go another 30 days, making this new mindset a part of your being. And soon, you'll be a part of that incredible minority who lead fulfilled, successful lives. Remember, you're in the driver's seat of your life. Embrace the journey, and the universe will conspire to make your dreams a reality. Your future is waiting. So what are you waiting for?